Hi there. Thank you so much for coming by the Jetbuilt booth today at InfoComm in Las Vegas. Myself or one of the team chatted with you, and it's likely you booked a demo, which we're so excited to meet with you and show you everything Jetbuilt can do, or you've opened up a trial, and so your way to get in is right here. And either way, thank you so much for evaluating Jetbuilt, and I'll be personally emailing you and following up to see how things go. So once again, thank you for visiting Jetbuilt and enjoy your evaluation.
Hey, I'm Brian Lundstrom. I work with Meyer Pro. We've been using Jetbuilt for almost 8 years now, a little over 8 years. It's intuitive. It has worked with me throughout the years. There's always updates to it. I get quick help through chat, which is awesome. And then, of course, Drawlinks is coming out, and it's fairly useful, and it's getting much, much better.
Hi, my name's Ron Martinez, and I'm with Sunset Audio Visual. We're, I would consider, early adopters of Jetbuilt. The entire office is using it. We love it. We're learning from it constantly. New bodies are coming in, and they're adopting it very quickly. So are we pleased? Yes, we're pleased, and we'll continue using it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Zach with Mid-States Audio. We've been using Jetbuilt for probably the past 4 or 5 years now, ever since kind of COVID. Just really love the software. It has been a game changer as far as trying to keep up with all the price increases and track of all the inventory coming in. It's just a wonderful, wonderful application that really gets your business up and going, and it just makes the day-to-day so much easier.
Hello, my name is Dante. I work with a company called StageRight. We're a systems integrator that's been using Jetbuilt for 4 years now. Super excited to see everyone at the table at CES, and we're really excited to be able to continue using Jetbuilt Drawings, which has some great opportunities for you to save time and have more clarity for you and your team. When you want to hand your installers information, Jetbuilt Drawings is going to let you do that just like that fast.
Hi, so I'm Amos. I'm from ImageNet Consulting in Tulsa, Oklahoma, here at InfoComm 2026. I've been using Jetbuilt since I started about 3 years ago. Fantastic tool. We use it every day, and really loving where it's been and where it's going and how it continues to iterate and improve. It's just a fantastic tool.